Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through the process of installing XAMPP on your computer. Whether you're new to web development or just looking for an easy way to set up a local server environment, XAMPP is a great tool. So, let's jump right in and get started. First things first, let's head over to the XAMPP website. Open up your browser and type in XAMPP download, or simply go to apachefriends.org. Once you're there, you should see the big download button. You'll want to click the button that corresponds to your operating system, Windows, Mac, or Linux. After you click it, the download will start. It should only take a few minutes, depending on your internet speed. Once the download is finished, go ahead and click on the installer to start the installation process. When you open the installer, the XAMPP setup wizard will appear. Click Next to move through the steps. Now, here you'll see a list of components. Apache, MySQL, PHP, these are the core components you'll need. If you're just getting started, it's a good idea to select everything for a full installation. Don't worry, it's all pretty lightweight. Click Next again to choose the installation folder. The default location should be fine, but you can change it if you like. Once you're ready, hit Next again. Now we wait. The installation will take a few minutes. It's doing its thing, setting everything up for you. Go grab a coffee, but not for too long. And just like that, we're done. The installer will ask if you want to start the XAMPP control panel right away. Go ahead and click Finish. Here's where the magic happens. This is your XAMPP control panel, where you can start and stop the Apache and MySQL servers. To get things running, click Start next to Apache. Now that Apache is running, let's test it. Open your web browser and type in localhost in the address bar. And boom! You should see the XAMPP welcome page pop up. This means everything's working, and you're all set to start developing locally. And that's it. You've successfully installed XAMPP on your computer, and you're ready to start developing websites locally. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech tutorials. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. I'll be happy to help.